Hey everyone, welcome back to Beautyistic. Let's get straight into something a bit different today. It's not skincare, makeup, or hair care. This time, we're talking about salon equipment that's essential for any beauty professional. I've got my hands on the OmySalon wall-mount barber station, and whether you're a stylist, a barber, or just love keeping things tidy at home, this could be the perfect solution for you. So let's see if it really measures up. The OmySalon wall-mount barber station is a practical, space-saving piece designed to keep your workspace organized and efficient. Measuring 40.6 inches in length, 13.2 inches in width, and nearly 67 inches in height, it's a compact yet ample storage solution for any salon or home. It doesn't overwhelm a space, but still offers plenty of room for your essential tools and products. This station is built to last. With a sturdy construction made of medium-density fiberboard and sleek aluminum alloy handles, it looks as good as it performs. The materials not only ensure durability, but also add a touch of elegance, which is always a bonus when creating a professional yet stylish environment. You won't have to worry about it tipping over either. The wall-mounted design adds stability, keeping it secure even with frequent use. When it comes to storage, this unit really shines. It features a 3-tier shelf, 2 drawers, and a large cabinet at the bottom. The top surface even has designated spots for your hairdryer and styling tools, keeping them within easy reach while reducing clutter. If you've ever struggled to find a place for your tools, this design will feel like a breath of fresh air. It can fit various sizes of products, and you'll have no problem organizing everything from hair products to combs, brushes, and more. The added bonus? This setup could also double as a bathroom or general-purpose cabinet, making it a versatile addition to your space. So, how does it hold up in the real world? Installation was surprisingly easy, thanks to the clear instructions provided. If you're not particularly handy, don't worry. Everything you need for a quick setup is included. Once it's up on the wall, it's extremely functional. I loved how it freed up so much counter space while providing an organized place for everything I use on a daily basis. The drawers glide smoothly, and the shelves are spacious enough to hold products and tools without being overcrowded. The overall design keeps things tidy without compromising on accessibility. And honestly, that's what we all need in a fast-paced work environment. Now let's take a moment to weigh the pros and cons. Pros: space-saving and well-organized design, perfect for smaller spaces. High-quality, durable materials ensure it will last for a long time. Versatile use, ideal for barbershops, salons, or even home setups. Easy installation with straightforward instructions. The additional storage space, including a large cabinet and specialized holders, is a great touch. Cons: while it's great for a professional setup, it may not be the best fit for someone with a lot of heavy equipment. The shelves, though spacious, are better suited to lighter items. The wall-mounted design means it's fixed in place, so if you move, you're not going to be able to take this with you unless you're willing to reinstall it. As for the price, it's pretty reasonable for what you're getting. Considering the quality of the materials and the fact that you're getting both storage and functionality, I'd say it offers good value for money. If you were to compare it to other similar products, this one stands out for its thoughtful design, robust structure, and ability to save space while looking sleek. For those of you who may want to explore other options, there are a few alternatives available, but I'd say this one strikes a great balance between price and performance. While some high-end models might offer more customization, they also come at a much higher price point. If you're looking for an affordable yet stylish solution that doesn't compromise on quality, this is definitely worth considering. Final thoughts? The OmySalon wall-mount barber station is an excellent choice for anyone in need of organized, durable, and stylish salon storage. Whether you're a professional stylist, barber, or simply someone who likes a neat space, this station offers a solid balance of practicality and aesthetics. It's a great addition to any beauty workspace. If this review was helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon so you don't miss out on more honest beauty reviews like this one. Your support helps us keep making these videos for you. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.